Hi, today I'll be introducing you to Qoppa's PDF automation server, a powerful tool providing a rich set of PDF processing functions to streamline document workflows within your company. What you're viewing now is our website where you can download a free trial of PDF automation server or request a demo. Once you have PDF automation server installed, you'll be able to launch PDF automation server manager and connect to the server. I'll be walking you through the different screens available in the manager. The first screen is the manager's dashboard, which shows a summary of the server workflows, its jobs, and recent events. Up top, you can keep track of the CPU usage, memory, and your license. Next, you have the workflows module. This is where you can create complex workflows through an easy drag and drop interface to define how your documents arrived, are processed, stored, or sent. I'll be walking you through how to set up a workflow. So you want to set up a workflow that adds a watermark. As you can see, you have your watch folder here. And what this essentially does is watch incoming files, then sends it through the rest of the process for a watermark to be added to it. Afterwards, the file or document is saved to the user's preferred destination. Say you don't want every document to include a watermark. It says confidential, so you only want confidential documents to have a watermark included on it. What you would do is add logic. What you want to do first is go to PAS functions, and you can drag and drop the logic node into the part of the process you want the function to happen in. Once you add the node in the process, you would have to set up its conditions. You can go here, and let's say the condition is if the document contains the keyword confidential, a watermark will be added to it. So you would type out confidential, and you can click out. So now if the document comes to the watch folder and it has the keyword confidential in it, a watermark will be added to it. It's true. If it's not true, we'll just save the document to the user's preferred destination. So what you want to do is go to the outputs folder, and you can drag and drop save to file to the not true box. We want this destination to be the same as where our watermark files are going to. So what you can really do is just copy that destination, and you can paste it in the destination for the not true box. So once you inputted the destination for the document you sent to, you'll also need to name the files. So I'm just going to name them the date and time. In PDF, you click out. So once a file comes to the watch folder and it doesn't have the keyword confidential, it'll just be saved to the user's preferred destination. Once you confirm the process for this workflow, you can save it in the top left corner and you can exit out. And it'll be there next time you want to use the workflow. The next module is the jobs module. This was designed before the workflow module. It is still in place for our legacy clients, and it should only be used if you had jobs that had been previously created. The next screen is the REST API. This is where you can see all REST API calls made for the server. So you have calls such as put calls, which are when documents are uploaded. You have get calls, and this is when documents are downloaded, and post calls. It shows when documents are being processed, such as OCR'd, etc. And you can see the type of processing that's going on through the details column. In this case, the document's being optimized. Finally, we have the preferences and settings. And this is where you can see the general settings, your REST settings, your Microsoft Office and conversion settings, as well as the settings for your license. There you have it. Thank you for tuning in to this intro of Qoppa's PDF automation server. Hopefully you found this useful. For more information, you can always visit qoppa.com. Thank you for listening.